using variables within our login script. As explained during the lecture, there's many different variables, for example day of week, month, etc. So let's use some of these variables in our login scripts. If you haven't already logged back in as admin, do so. So I'll log back in as admin, as my current user Alex does not have the necessary rights to edit login scripts for users. Open up console 1, and because there are 3 different login scripts, it doesn't matter which one we use to learn about commands. In this case, the easiest one for us to edit is the container login script. So let's open up the properties, go to the login script tab, and as you can see, that was the login script that we configured earlier. Let's use some of these variables in our login script. Let's use the write command that we're familiar with and actually customize the greeting appropriate for the time and appropriate for the user. Now, what I'm saying is that maybe we should greet them with good morning if it's in the morning, and greet them by their name. Okay, so let's use the write command. We'll actually delete the previous login script, and as you know, the write command is followed by a space, then the quotation mark, and your message is within that quotation marks. So we'll do good % greeting underscore time. As you know from our lecture, greeting time is a variable where it will be substituted with the appropriate greeting depending on the time. As you can see, currently the time reflected on our workstation is 9:33 PM. So when we test our login script, this greeting time variable will be replaced with evening. Again, you may notice that I've used a percentage sign in front of the variable name. Basically, this percentage sign tells the login script command interpreter that it is a login script. So good greeting time % login underscore name. In this case, it will greet the person with their login name, and like I said, you must spell and use the right syntax. Spell the command correctly and use the right syntax. And let's actually use a few more variables. Let's actually tell the user what time it is. Let's use the %hour 24, sorry, 24 % minute %second, and let's tell them the date on the %day space / %month underscore name. Oops, maybe not name, but %month %year, and let's remind them what day it is. Today is a % day of week. Close quotation. Basically, what we've done here is actually use the write command to display a message. Within this message, we've used a few variables that will be substituted for the appropriate information when this script is executed. For example, greeting time will be substituted with the appropriate greeting for the time of day. Login name will be substituted with the login name of the particular user who's executing this login script. The hour 24 will be substituted by the hour in 24-hour clock. minutes will be substituted by the current minutes, and second will be substituted by the current second when the script is executed. The day will be replaced by the day number. Month will be replaced by the number month, and the year will be replaced by the 4-digit year, and the day of week will be replaced by the name of the day. So let's actually test this. Obviously this is all dependent on the fact that my login script has been entered correctly without free of errors. So let's change it back to the Alex user. Remember, this was the container login script we modified, so the Alex user is inside that container, and therefore the login script will execute for Alex. As you can see, after the first 4 lines, you'll see that the message is good evening, which is appropriate for 9:37 PM. Alex, which is my login name. The current time is 21:36. Well, that's basically when the login script was executed. 9:36 and 58 seconds is the right time, and the date is the 10th of June 2009, which is incorrect, but let's check if that's correct. Yes, it is correct. It's incorrect for our current time, but it's correct for the workstation. So you got to understand that because the script is executed on the workstation, it will take the workstation's current time and date and use that in the display. Again, the next line is, this is the profile, and the next line is hello Alex. Obviously that's the profile and the user login script executing after that.